All right, folks. So today I got this email for earning money online. Blah blah blah. 1.5K a day. Um, it's already activated. Wow, look at that. Account's already ready for me. So you click on the link and you go to the what's called the Shanghai Secrets or Club Shanghai, and you got this little video here. You play. It's about 10 minutes or so. It's only $7. Not bad. So is the Club Shanghai or is the Club Shanghai a scam or legit? If you're wondering, if you came across this, I would say it's pretty bogus. I'll say that. Now, in the video, you have all these outrageous claims. For example, they're offering it for $7, and it will go to the discount of $490 will expire soon. I mean, because you don't want to miss this opportunity. These people always do this, act quickly now because it's going to change, and try to get you to rush. So that's just red flag right there. Let's see what else they got here. All right, so basically, they don't even tell you what you'll be doing. They just say, look, produce jaw-dropping profits within the space of 12 clicks, up to the tune of 18,000 something a day. I mean, come on. Anytime they have these outrageous claims, it's just nonsense. And then they have the upsells. And then if you actually put your information in, if you put your email address in, you get taken to this place where it says Club 365 because it's a completely different name. So a lot of time these ClickBank programs, offers, if you will, they change the names because they get bad reviews with this name. So they change the name to something else, and then it's just a front for this. So, and basically on the inside, it's just a bunch of information. So technically it's not a scam, but it's very shady. It's very lackluster. It's very subpar. There's not really any plan of action or any way to make money that's not confusing. So I would stay away from it, and that's pretty much it. All right, so if you want to unlock the secrets of profit-making websites today and start making legitimate money, check out my website here in the link in the description below. There's an article here called 101 Reasons Why to Get a Free Wealthy Affiliate Starter Account today. Look inside Wealthy Affiliate. This is a platform that I use and thousands of others use, hundreds of thousands use. It's zero risk because there's no credit card need to sign up. You get a free account and you're good to go. Let's take some of the reasons here. 100% free, no cost to you. No credit card needed to sign up. It's not a free membership. It's not a free membership. It is a free membership, not a trial. So you can keep your free membership as long as it takes you to do until you want to upgrade to premium. If you don't want to upgrade to premium, that's fine. Again, no credit card needed. So there's absolutely no risk. 100% world-class free training and plus premium training if you sign up for the premium account. A large community of people that are helpful. The owners as well. And you have direct contact to me if you sign up with my link, because I'll send you a message as soon as you sign up. And the owners, you can contact the owners as well and ask them questions. I talk to them all the time, which is highly, kind of rare in this space where you get that one-on-one with the owners of the platform. And they've been around for over, I think, 12 years now, this company. There's just a lot of stuff. So check it out. Here's real testimonials. These are actual people, members of the site. You could go on to there and you can see them on there. These are not Fiverr fake reviews like all these other stupid, not all of them, but a lot of these fake ones you see on the internet and stuff like that. Plus, they're always updating stuff within Wealthy Affiliate. This is my latest, my oldest updates from 2017, 2018. But they're always adding stuff. There's no extra cost to that. When it comes out, you just get it for free with your membership. So that's really cool. Again, once you're on the website, you can see the real testimonials from people and stuff like that and how everything works. Like, see here's some feedback. These are real members, not fake testimonials. It's just pretty crazy. Once you're inside, there's so much stuff, I can't really get into it all here, but sign up, check it out in the link in the video below. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.